Hi, I'm Josh,
And I'm Katie.
and we're San Diego Pools.
Today we're in Encinitas at one of our more ultra custom projects, right Josh?
That's right, from a champagne spa to a rim flow pool that goes all the way to a zero edge, this pool has absolutely everything.
It's finished off with some boulder water features and some turtle mosaics. Let's dive in.
This 954 square foot pool and spa combo accent our client's property perfectly. The rim flow and zero edge helps bring this pool to life and flows seamlessly with the rest of the yard.
The oversized champagne spa was a must with the size of pool. It's topped off with glass tile and turbocharged jets.
Why choose between a fire and a water feature when you can have them both? Just look at these 3 fire bowls integrated in the locally sourced natural boulder bubblers.
Natural meets elegance when we finish the pool in a dark aggregate surface. Call us today for a free consultation.